In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Roblox Plus. This used to be called Roblox Premium. It is a subscription that allows you to get benefits in every experience and game that you play. So what you want to do is here with Roblox opened on your mobile device, you want to go and tap the three lines in the upper left-hand corner to expand and bring out all of these options here. You'll then see an option about midway that says Roblox Plus. If we tap on Roblox Plus like so, it will bring up all of the benefits. As you can see, it starts at $4.99 a month, and then it gives you the benefits. You get 10% off in-game items, 20% off certain items, free and unlimited private servers. You can send Robux for free, trade and resell items, publish games and avatar items, just a bunch of benefits. And right now there is a free month. Now this may not always be the case, but as of right now it is. If you go to try it for free, as you can see, the normal plan is $4.99. The plus 500, which includes everything in the Roblox Plus normal plan, plus 500 Robux per month is $10.99, and then that goes up to 1,000 Robux per month, 2,000, you get the drill. When you find the plan that you want, you can go to try it for free, as I've done here, and then when you do that, if you're on an iPhone, it'll require you to double click to confirm the purchase. If you're on an Android, you just go through and confirm the purchase as well, and this will show up under your subscriptions on the App Store, whatever one that you're using. In order to cancel, you'll have to go in those subscriptions and cancel. That's it. That's how you get Roblox Plus on mobile. If you have any questions, please put those down below. I'll have a frequently asked question pinned comment. And with that said, we'll see you guys in the next video.